let's work a word problem with trigonometry. You're skiing on a mountain with an altitude of 1,200 feet. The angle of depression is 21 degrees. That's when you're up here looking down to the bottom where you're going to go. Find the distance x as you ski down the mountain to the nearest foot. Okay, so I've made a little parallelogram here, and I've got 21 degrees, and opposite of that is the 1,200 feet. That's how high she started off. That's where she's going. And then this x right here, that would be my hypotenuse of this imaginary triangle here. So when we're talking about opposite and hypotenuse, we have to decide which one of our trig features that we use. So we have some old hag coming around here teaching old algebra. That's what we'll choose from. And considering we have an opposite and a hypotenuse, that would be the sine one. I need to use the sine one because that is what I have and this is what I want. So I will say sine of 21 degrees equals the opposite, which is 1,200, over the hypotenuse, which is x. Okay, so there's a couple of ways to do this. One is to multiply both sides by x and then end up dividing, or you could just put a 1 right here and cross multiply. I didn't show you that method the first time. So I have x sine of 21 equals 1,200. Then I'll divide by sine of 21. Make sure that your calculator is in degree mode. If it's in radians, you'll miss it. And then type in 1,200 divided by, main parentheses here, sine of 21. Sine 21, end your parentheses, and you're going to get 3348.5. It said round to the nearest foot, so the nearest foot would be right here, so that 8's going to go up to a 9. Let me go ahead and write down what this is approximately. 3348.5 would be approximately 3,349 feet with her skiing down to the bottom.